Find the side of a square if first one area is equal to 121 centimeter square. Second one perimeter is equal to 40 centimeters. This figure is a square. In a square, lengths of all sides will be equal. First one area is equal to 121 centimeter square. We can find the area of a square using the formula A is equal to S into S. Area is equal to side into side. Side into side is side square. So we can write this as A is equal to S square. We can rewrite this as S square is equal to A. Then S will be equal to square root of A. Substitute the value of area in this formula. That is equal to square root of 121. We can write 121 as 11 into 11. So we can write this as square root of 11 into 11. 11 into 11 is 11 square. So we can write this as square root of 11 square. Now square and square root get cancelled and this will be equal to 11. So side of a square whose area is 121 centimeter square is 11 centimeters. Here the units of area are centimeter square, so units of side will be centimeters. Next one, perimeter is equal to 40 centimeters. We can find the perimeter of a square using the formula P is equal to 4 into S. Perimeter is equal to 4 into side. We can rewrite this as 4 into side is equal to perimeter. To find side, we have to transpose 4 from LHS to RHS. 4 is the multiplier. So when transposed from LHS to RHS, it becomes divisor. So S will be equal to P by 4. Side will be equal to perimeter by 4. Substitute the value of perimeter in this formula. That is equal to 40 by 4. Let us simplify this in the rough work. Common factor of 40 and 4 is 4. Divide both of them with common factor. When we divide 40 with 4, we get 10. When we divide 4 with 4, we get 1. The values left are 10 by 1, which is equal to 10. So side is equal to 10 centimeters. The units of perimeter are centimeters. So units of side will be centimeters.